Okay, for each angle, determine all angles that are coterminal in the given domain. Okay, for A, we have 65 degrees, and the domain is between 0 and 720 degrees for theta. So we have 65 plus 360 degrees, and we get 425 degrees. So in the domain, 0 is less than or equal to theta, is less than or equal to 720. The angle 425 is coterminal with 65 degrees. Okay, for B, we have negative 40 plus 360 is equal to 320 degrees. So in the domain, negative 180 degrees is less than or equal to theta, is less than or equal to 360. The angle 320 is coterminal with negative 40 degrees. C, what we have here is we have negative 40 degrees plus 360. Whoops, wrong. Plus 360, yeah, that's right, is equal to 320. Okay, negative 40 minus 360 equals negative 400 degrees. And negative 40 plus 2 by 360 equals 680 degrees. And we have to determine all angles that are coterminal with a given domain. So since the domain where theta is between negative 720 degrees and positive 720 degrees, the angles negative 400, 320, and 680 are coterminal with negative 40. So I'll put that. That's for C. Okay, for D, what we have is we have 3 pi over 4, where theta is between negative 2 pi and positive 2 pi. So we have 3 pi over 4 minus 2 pi is equal to negative 5 pi over 4. So in the domain between negative 2 pi and positive 2 pi, the angle negative 5 pi over 4, negative 5 pi over 4 is coterminal with 3 pi over 4. E. Negative 11 over 6 pi, where theta is between negative 4 pi and positive 4 pi. Okay, well, we have negative 11 pi over 6 minus 2 pi is equal to negative 23 pi over 6. We also have negative 11 pi over 6 plus 2 pi is equal to pi over 6. Another possibility is negative 11 pi over 6 plus 4 pi, which is 13 pi over 6. So in the domain, negative 4 pi is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to 4 pi. The angles negative 23 pi over 6, pi over 6, and and 13 pi over 6 are coterminal with negative 11 pi over 6. I did E there. Okay, let's take a look at F. Take a look at F. Okay, we have 7 pi over 3, and we have the domain between negative 2 pi and positive 4 pi. So for F, we have possibilities of 7 pi over 3 minus 2 pi is equal to pi over 3. We also have the possibility of 7 pi over 3 minus 4 pi, which is equal to negative 5 pi over 3. So in the domain where theta is between negative 2 pi and positive 4 pi, the angles pi over 3 and negative 5 pi over 3 are coterminal with 7 pi over 3. Okay, G. We have 2.4 where the domain is between negative 2 pi and positive 2 pi for theta. Well, we have 2.4 minus 2 pi is equal to negative 3.9. So in the domain between negative 2 pi is less than or equal to pi is less than 2 pi, the angle negative 3.9 is coterminal with 2.4. And H. Here we have negative 7.2, where the domain is between negative 4 pi and less than 2 pi. So this one's a bit trickier. We have negative 7.2 plus 2 pi equals negative 0.9. We have negative 7.2 plus 4 pi equals approximately, I should be putting approximately, 5.4. Negative 7.2 minus 2 pi equals negative 13.5, but that is outside specified domain. So in the domain negative 4 pi less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi, the angles negative 0.9, 5.4 are coterminal with negative 7.2.